ABC Educational Channel. Today let's learn about parts of the house.
This is my house. House. Inside my house you can see my living room. This is my living room. In my living room, there is a sofa. Sofa. There is a television. Television. There is a bookshelf. Bookshelf. There is a carpet. Carpet. There is a lampshade. Lampshade. There is a coffee table. Coffee table. There is a pillow. Pillow. Living room. This is my bedroom. In my bedroom, there is a bed. Bed. There is a wardrobe. Wardrobe. There is a blanket. Blanket. There is a study table. Study table. There is a clock. Clock. There is a pillow. Pillow. There is a lampshade. Lampshade. Kitchen. This is my kitchen. In my kitchen, there is a kitchen counter. Kitchen counter. There is a sink. Sink. There is a refrigerator. Refrigerator. There is an oven. Oven. There is a knife. Knife. There is a blender. Blender. There is a pan. Pan. There is a plate. Plate. There is a spoon. Spoon. There is a fork. Fork. There is an apron. Apron. Bathroom. This is my bathroom. In my bathroom, there is a bathtub. Bathtub. There is a shower. Shower. There is a toilet. Toilet. There is a towel. Towel. There is a mirror. Mirror. There is a faucet. Faucet. There is a sink. Sink. There is a toilet paper. Toilet paper. There is a soap. Soap. There is a shampoo. Shampoo. There is a toothbrush. Toothbrush. There is a toothpaste. Toothpaste. Dining room. This is my dining room. In my dining room, there is a table. Table. There is a chair. Chair. There is a cabinet. Cabinet.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.